Hi everyone, this is Shannon here with this month's feature meal, vegetarian pizza. Vegetarian pizza is a great alternative to regular pizza and can be just as delicious. Let's take a look at what ingredients make up a vegetarian pizza and how you can make it at home. Vegetarian pizza consists of 4 main ingredients: 1 cauliflower pizza crust, 1 cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and a cup of assorted vegetables. Peppers, onions, and mushrooms go great on a pizza, but you can choose whatever fruits or vegetables you'd like. The choices are endless. Once you've added all your toppings to your pizza, you'll want to bake it in your oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until the crust looks brown and crispy. I've included the recipe for you here. This is a delicious and easy dish to prepare and share with family, friends, or guardians. As always, please reach out if you have any questions about this recipe or any suggestions for future recipes. Bye for now.